This is Joseph here with Power Capital Solutions, and today I want to cover the difference between a hard money loan versus a fix and flip loan. So at the end of the day, the end goal is to acquire a property, fix it up by way of rehab, and then either sell it for a profit or place a tenant inside of that property and enjoy some passive income. So what is the difference between a hard money loan versus a fix and flip loan, and in what situation would you utilize one over the other? So at the end of the day, a hard money loan and a fix and flip loan, they both are utilized for the exact same purpose. They both will cover a significant portion of your acquisition costs. They're both going to cover your rehab expenses, and they both fund relatively quickly. And oh, by the way, the rates do tend to be a little bit higher than conventional financing. So when you boil it all down, they're both essentially the same product. However, the key difference is going to be underwriting criteria. Now, when you look at hard money loans, that's what's known as true asset-based lending. And that's just a fancy way of saying the financing is based off of the asset itself. So unlike a fix and flip loan, the deal doesn't go through full underwriting, and there are no minimum FICO requirements. And a hard money loan also doesn't have to adhere to as many very strict guidelines, such as worrying about bankruptcies, foreclosures, collections, maybe potential judgments. Although fix and flip loans and hard money loans are both going to be typically capped at 65 to 70% of a property's after repair value, fix and flip loans do have to adhere to more extensive underwriting criteria. Mainly, you're going to see a minimum FICO requirement. In addition to that, most of the times the borrower cannot have any bankruptcies, foreclosures, any late payments. Some programs may even require certain DTI calculations and or income and employment verification. Fix and flip loans are going to look at not only the asset itself, but they're going to take a look at you, the individual borrower. But both are going to be private money. Typically, they're going to be funded from the same kind of source, generally hedge funds. But once again, the only difference is going to be the underwriting guidelines. But that being said, I have great news for you. So with the hard money loans that we provide, we're able to get the deal done without doing any credit checks, no appraisals, no surveys, no minimum FICO score. As long as we have a clean title, we're all set to close. So are you an investor who needs speed, efficiency, and a streamlined process that doesn't include credit checks and an appraisal? If so, give me a call, 706-536-3598, or shoot me over email at joseph@powercapitalsolution.com. I'll be more than happy to take a look at your scenario, let you know what we can do, and if the deal makes sense, let's get it closed. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, share. Happy investing.